one of the main challenge in T-cell therapies at the moment is the treatment of solid cancer. And this stems from the differences in biology between a solid cancer and a liquid malignancy. And to mention some examples, solid tumors, they have a particularly high immunosuppressive microenvironment, which means that adoptively transferred T-cells can basically get tuned down as soon as they infiltrate the tumor. And also, it was shown that there is a very little trafficking and also homing of adoptively transferred T-cells into the tumor microenvironment, and this prevents a priori any possibility of fighting the cancer. And to overcome these limitations, the way to go is T-cell co-engineering. So with co-engineering, what I mean is that besides the receptor specific for the tumor antigen, either a CAR or a T-cell receptor, we need to further engineer the therapeutic T-cells. And for example, we can abrogate the expression of so-called inhibitory receptors, which are the molecules that senses the immunosuppressive microenvironment. And also we can equip the T-cells with additional molecules like chemical receptors that, on the other hand, they can sense basically molecules released by the tumor and then approach the tumor microenvironment. Another important aspect is, for example, a poor presentation of antigens. And this turns into a suboptimal activation of our therapeutic T-cells. And in this regards, a very interesting line of research is the combination of vaccine that can really reinforce and boost the presentation of antigen by professional antigen-presenting cells, combined with the transfer of engineered T-cells that are our basically drugs. And last but not least, I would like to mention also another problem, which is the emergence of resistance to therapy, most often due to antigen escape or downregulation. And in this case, it's very interesting, novel approaches that try to produce so-called multi-specific receptors that by some modification are actually able to recognize more than one different antigens.